Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to do Telegram group call. So you have to just open the Telegram app, and there is the top one is the group. So I can open the group chat, and here is the you have to open the username, and there are the three dots of there on the top right, and you can call them, and you can add invite members of this group, so it will be invited this group chat. So when it's added, so you can make a group call. So I will add these tools for join the group call. So you can invite here in video chat, and you have to click to the URL live, so it will be calling, and here you can make group video call. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.